Okay, good morning student. 10th B geometry class, chapter number 3, circle. With definition we will start. What is the definition of circle? To draw a circle you need one fixed point. This is known as center. Then take the radii and draw the circle. So these are the set of the point which are equidistant from the center. From a point, suppose it is 3 centimeter, 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 3 centimeter. A set of point which are equidistant from a single point. That single point is center, fixed point. An equidistance point set means combination of that all points dot 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 form a circle. Again from the center at 2 centimeter. Slowly it will form a circle. So set of point which are equidistant from a single point, and that single point is known as center, and the combination of that point, set of point, it is a circle. Two circle, in how many different way you can draw? Two different circle, in how many way you can draw? Externally touching, internally touching, disjoint, no common point, intersecting point, intersecting circle, same center, two circle. This is touching, this is not touching but include. These are the pair of circle you can draw. Here 0 common point, 1 common point, 1 common point, 2 common point. This and these 2 common point. Nothing common. This is common on both. This is common on both. 0 common point, 0 common point. Then one point and one line. You have to draw one point, one line in different way. One point, one line. Circle and a line. 0 common point. There is nothing common. Circle and line, 1 common point. Circle and line, 2 common point. When circle and line, nothing is common, that is disjoint, totally separate. When one line, one circle, only single common point, that is a touching line, or you can say a tangent. Circle and intersecting, cutting line, the circle cuts into 2 points. So 2 points are common. Common means what? Which are on a circle also, which are on a line also. So this is known secant, this is known as tangent, this is disjoint. Now one geometrical question. If on a paper, if you will take only single point, From one point, how many circle can pass? From a single point, how many circle can pass? From this point, this I am highlighting, so you can see. From this, how many point you can pass? How many circle you can pass? One circle, two circle, three circle, four circle, five circle, 6, 7, 8. See, from one point, many circle can grow. From 2 point, from 1 point, many circle you can draw. From 2 point, this they can ask in MCQ. So please, from 2 point, this and this I will highlight. From 2 point, how many circle you can do? Let's see. Just join the 2 point. From here, more than half. From here, up, down, and draw the perpendicular bisector. Now on perpendicular bisector, take a point and take this much. So this is one circle, two circle, three circle, four circle, five circle, six circles. So many, again many. Now from 3 point, from 1 point, from 2 point, many circle. Now 3 point, how we will take 3 point? 3 point can be in same line. So linear 3 points, 0 circle. From 3 point, if it is a linear, if I draw a circle from this will remain. If I will draw a circle from this will remain. If I draw a circle, this will remain. But if points are not linear, not collinear, means a triangle. Triangle means what? Set of 3 non-collinear points. From 3 points, only one circle can be drawn. So from this, three non-collinear points. Circle. There is a fixed point. It is known as center. Set of points which are equidistant from the center. Set of points which are equidistant from a single point. That is a circle. Definition. Then two circle have pair of two circle in different method. External touching, internal touching, not touching, intersecting, same center. One circle is in another circle. How many common point? 1 common point, 2 common point, 0 common point, 2 common point, 0 common point, 0 common point. Then I have taken pair of one line, one circle. How you can do? In a 3 different way you can draw. Line will not touch to the circle, so 0 common point. line will touch to the circle one common point. Line will intersect or cut the circle into 2 points. So there are 2 common points. Then again 3 points. From a single point, how many circle you can draw? From a single point, passing from a single point, many infinite number of circle we can draw. Some circles I have drawn, small, bigger, different. From two points, from one point, many circle can be drawn. From 2 points, again many circle can be drawn. From 3 point, when it is linear on a same line, no one circle can pass from all 3 points. When it is non-collinear, means not on a straight line, it is different. At that time, only one circle can be drawn. Then very important theorem, tangent segment theorem. Very important theorem. Tangent segment theorem. One circle is given. One point is given. From that you can draw 2 tangent. So from PA, PB are equal. C is the center. Join this. Tangent radii always perpendicular to each other. Given PA and PB are 2 tangent to the circle C. To prove that PA, PB construction CA, CB, CP, these 3 we have to draw. Proof. First, in triangle PCA and triangle PCB, PCA, PCB, CA congruent CB, radii of same circle, CP, common. This is common. These two are 90. And angle A congruent to angle B. Why? Tangent radii perpendicular theorem. Tangent and radii are always perpendicular to each other. So by hypotenuse side test, if you will write any other test Wrong, 0 mark. Therefore, PCA, PCB by hypotenuse side test. Congruent, so its respective part, corresponding part, respective part, PA, congruent PB. Congruent side of congruent triangle. CSCT. From this chapter, this is the most important theorem. They have asked this theorem maximum number of times. What is the question? Take a circle, take one point outside the circle. From that circle, draw two tangent segments to the circle. Draw a circle. Take one point outside the circle. From this tangent segment, not tangent segment. This is the center, this is a P, touching point is A and B. That is given. Network is fluctuating. Just wait. Circle is given, outside one point is given, two tangent segment you have to draw. To prove this and these are congruent, then okay, then construction CA, CB, CP. Now proof this congruent to this congruent to this, common same radii and always tangent and radii to the circle. If there is a tangent, draw the radii, always it is perpendicular. So on that base, 90 degree hypotenuse equal, one side is equal, so hypotenuse side test. Hypotenuse side test, if you will write any other SSS, ASA, so it will be wrong, because in another test what you want to prove you have taken as a given in other test, but in this test it is perfect. Only for hypotenuse side test you can write this. So if two triangles are congruent, its respective sides, corresponding sides are equal. So CSCT. From congruent triangle, if you want to prove the side pair equal, then CSCT. If you want to prove congruent pair, angle pair congruent, at that time CACT, congruent angle of congruent triangle. CACT means what? Congruent angle of congruent triangle. CSCT means what? Congruent side of congruent triangle. See, at present 33 students including me. So 32 are present. So every day we are shouting that students are not joining the class. Very important topics are going on. These are very useful in the SSC board exam. So try to convey, because whenever we will conduct the meeting, for parents, for regarding attendance, regarding on these people only will come. So to whom we have to convey the message. If I'll speak about the attendance, so you are present. So what I will tell? From 72, 73 students are there. And see, less than half students are coming. Teachers are taking lots of effort for you to improve, best of best. See the response. Next. Now, two more point. If two circle are touching externally, this is calculation based topic. Two circles are touching externally, means from outside they are touching. If two circles are touching internally, A and B are the center, O is a touching point. Here AO plus BO is equal to AB. That distance between two center, AB means what? Distance between two center is equal to radii 1, radii 2. This is radii 1, radii 2. Same distance between two center is equal to radii 1 minus radii 2. This radii minus this radii, you will get this. Means AB is equal to OA minus OB. Here OA plus OB is equal to AB. When touching externally, you have to add the radii. Radius plus radius is equal to distance. Here big radius minus small radius is equal to the distance. For example, this is 7 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 centimeter. Here 7 centimeter, here 3 centimeter, so this will be 4 centimeter. So 7 centimeter minus 3 centimeter is 4 centimeter. Suppose radii are not given. In the exercise questions, there are some questions in which instead of radii, they have given diameter. They have given diameter. Diameter 1 is equal to 12. Diameter 2 is equal to 6. Find out the distance between two centers. Two method. So distance is equal to diameter 1 plus diameter 2 divided by 2. So 12 plus 6 divided by 2. 18 by 2 is equal to 9 centimeter. Or from diameter, radii 1 is equal to diameter 1 by 2. 12 by 2, it is 6. And radii 2, it is 6 by 2. It is diameter 2 by 2. 6 by 2, it is 3. Now distance is equal to radii 1, radii 2, 6 plus 3, it is 9 centimeters. So this same answer. So when diameters are given, no, so first add, then make it half. Or make it half, then add. Meaning is same, calculation is same. Again, for this, diameter 1 is equal to 18, diameter 2 it is 8. So distance is equal to diameter 1 minus diameter 2 divided by 2. Subtract and half, or half and subtract. Now radii 1 is equal to diameter 1 by 2. 18 by 2, it is 9. So radii 2. Okay, now the distance is equal to radii 1 minus radii 2. So on these two geometrical points, I have given 4 different calculations. See which. If two circles are touching externally, so radius plus radius is equal to total distance. If two circles are touching internally, circle into circle, but touching from inside, touching from outside, so big radii minus small radii is equal to the distance. AO minus BO is equal to AB. Here AB, OA, OB, total AB. If only radii given, radii plus radii, so total distance. If only radii given, radii minus radii, difference is the distance between two center. Distance between two center. Instead of radii, they have given diameter. So both the diameter you convert into radii, half. So you can do by this method. That is one option. Second alternate method, diameter plus diameter. Means this diagram will be like this. This diameter is given, this diameter is given, but 6 means 3, 3, 12 means 6, 6, but we want this much distance. This much distance. So you can add and then make it half. That is your distance between two centers. Or you can make it half, then you can add. Same thing in internal this they will give. Okay, for internal diameters are given, so difference then half. 18 minus 8 divided by 2, 10 by 2, it is 5. Or make it half. So first radius 9 centimeter, make it half. Second radius 8 centimeter, and find out the difference. So that difference is 9 minus 4, 5 centimeter. So like this, you can you can find out the distance between two center. When it is external, you have to add. When it is internal, you have to subtract. Now some instruction that your class teacher also gave you. Our school are going to start online app, means only those who will register that they can join, and with perfect attendance, means full on auto operated. Every day in every lecture you are present or absent. Suppose something you have shared, you are absent, to that message directly goes after the lectures to you, to your parents. For that they will guide you class wise, division wise. They will give the instruction, they will give you one demo like other schools are running, that host is the school only, or all details will be auto operated. Present, absent, to the absent to give the message, and continuous absent removed from the class, and whatever the message you have sent, whatever the suggestion, whatever sharing and all this, whatever, so each and everything will be recorded, and that video also will be recorded. So in future when you want to open, you can open it. So this type of like other school, very hi-fi types of online app they are going to launch very shortly, because in 1 or 2 days teachers training will be covered, then student training will be covered. Then I think from next Monday we will meet on that app. But for us nothing is more different, because as usual what I am using the method and all that only. But through, not through this Google Meet, through school app you have to join, and it is very what can say, guaranteed, because outsider cannot join. Those who have given their registration, only those people can join, and there will be lots of restriction that you can not share anything, you cannot speak anything, you cannot send message anything. So this type of improvement and accuracy also, this frequency of the net will be stable, so lots of problem will be solved, and it is one uniform method for all teachers, for all standard, for all divisions, for all students. Okay, if you have any problem, no, I will also guide you. You don't worry. I will always with you people only. You don't worry. And for August, mid of August, around 10 to 15 August, be ready for the test, unit test. So in both first second chapter we will include. Okay. So after one more lecture, we will meet again. Science 1, chapter number 3. Thank you.